Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy M12. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons on the right side right here. And as you guys can see, whenever we go over to the settings, we won't be able to change our call volume. So if you go to sounds and vibration and then volume, you won't have an option to change your volume, so it's only available while being in an active call. Now, what you guys want to do is make sure that Bluetooth is disabled, so go over to connections. Now from connections you want to go over to Bluetooth, and here make sure that Bluetooth is off to rule out any connected devices like your earbuds, AirPods, car, and anything else. Now, what you guys can do is go over and test another call. So try calling up somebody from the phone app or use another app. For example, WhatsApp Messenger, Instagram, any app that has been supporting the call function. Now, what you guys can do is restart the smartphone to restore the system. So we will refresh it completely by restarting our phone. So hold the power button only. Now press restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys once it's all done. So now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates to make sure that there's no glitches with your sound during calls. So go over into the settings. Now from the settings, you need to scroll a bit down until you guys see the software update. Now go to download and install and make sure that you have a stable network connection so it checks for updates. Now my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.